Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're completely rethinking everything you know about money and wealth.
Let's dive right in with a tough question. Are you actually creating wealth or just paying bills?
Most of us get stuck completely chained to the trap of wealth-reducing liabilities. We endlessly trade our precious time for money, just to send it right out the window.
We focus on getting a higher hourly wage, constantly racing the clock just to cover basic expenses. But the truly wealthy do things differently. They don't just go out and buy shiny liabilities.
Instead, they focus on income-producing assets. Think real estate, stocks, or businesses that generate their own cash.
It's like building an engine. You invest initial time and money to create a machine that prints income.
For example, one successful book written in 2006 still generates thousands in monthly passive income today.
Eventually, this asset engine grows big enough to pay all your bills, totally breaking those financial chains.
So here's the crucial point. What should you actually be doing with your accumulated cash?
Society teaches us to hoard massive pools of money, but the wealthy build flowing rivers of cash.
Think of the Dead Sea. It has inlets but zero outlets, so absolutely nothing can live there.
If your money just accumulates without ever flowing outward, it becomes a stagnant, lifeless sea of cash. Instead of hoarding, use your money as a dynamic tool to acquire even more cash-flowing assets. This is the infinite capital mind. It's a mindset totally focused on creating endless loops of asset generation.
Generational wealth perpetuation, because true wealth isn't just about leaving a giant pile of cash behind.
It's a system of cash perpetuation, utilizing strategic assets and life insurance to protect your family's future.
Life insurance acts as a crucial shield, ensuring that cash flow stays alive even during unexpected tragedies.
But crucially, you must pass down financial literacy so the next generation doesn't accidentally decimate that wealth.
This ensures your wealth system spans generations, creating an infinite future of lasting financial stability.
Ultimately, true wealth isn't the currency itself. It's your enduring ability to create real value for others.
So ask yourself right now, are you planting seeds for lasting assets or just paying for yesterday?